Go to your Stripe settings by clicking on this gear icon. At the Stripe settings, you want to scroll down until you see the payments option under the product settings section, then click on it. Then you want to select the payment method option. Then on this page, you may scroll down and search for Przelewy24, or we can call it P24. After you find it, click on the P24 option and hit the enable button. There you go, P24 is now enabled as your payment option. Don't forget to read the terms and conditions when you use the P24 in your Stripe payment. Here is one of my payment link in the currency of Poland, zloty, and the P24 is already showing as one of the payment method. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.